guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about hair. I'm going to be sharing with you semi-human hair units that are available at Hailey's Hair. You can check the page out. It's on Instagram and also Hailey's Hair on Facebook. I'm going to begin with this beautiful unit. It's very bouncy, it's very curly. It's in the color 1B. It has a transparent lace and clips inside. It also has a deep parting, and the parting is also already pre-plucked for you. Yeah, so I love this unit. It's very soft. So my next unit is this beautiful unit. It's in the color DR Caramel. As you can see, the unit also comes with some parting on the side. It also has baby hairs for those who want to lay their edges. It has this mesh like cap inside. So this is how the wig looks on, straight without me doing anything, without flat ironing it, straight from the package. The spacing is 5 inch, so it's enough spacing, and it's also pre-plucked. So this is how the unit looks like. You can see the beautiful blending of the colors. So if you're into colored wigs, we got you covered. So this is how it looks like. I love the curl pattern.
And I really wish we could stay. The time just keeps running away.
We also have this bob unit available. It looks like my relaxed hair, doesn't it? It looks like I've relaxed my hair. So my next unit is in this beautiful bob unit. It's in the color DR30. It has the Swiss lace for the parting space. It's also pre-plucked for you. It also has some baby hairs, so you can be able to lay them for those who would like that. So let me put on, it also has clips on the inside for you to be able to put on the wig and secure it, and also some adjustable straps in the back. So this is how the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. I'm in love with the color. The color is so beautiful, it's so pretty. So this is how the color looks like. This is in the color DR30. So this is the back side. That is how it looks. Ooh. Hey! So this is the bob unit. I'm loving the texture. It's really soft, you guys. So this is the next wig. It's a beautiful bob. It's in the color 1B. It has the lace, adjustable strap in the inside, and the wig cap is a mesh kind. Wow, I love it. I love this bob. It feels like blown out 4C hair. Wow, it's really nice. I love it. It's so soft. Let us try and do it as a side part. You can also wear it as a side part. So this is my next wig. This beautiful wig over here. It's in the color T230. You know the drill. It has parting space. It also has some baby hairs for those who want to lay their edges. This is how it looks on the inside. It has the combs and the adjustable strap in the color T230. It's a nice ombre color. So let me, wow, it's really nice. Has the lace. It's in the color MP Hazel. You can see it's really long and curly. You can see the colors. In the front it has a different color. You can see it's more golden and this is more brown color than the rest. So let me put it on. You can see the inside. Same old. Whoa, just look at the body wave, just look at the waves, yeah. Wow, I love it. This is in the color MP Hazel. You can see what I was telling you about. It's different, it has a different color in the front than here. Gold, brown. The last but not the least unit for the day is this curly unit. It's in the color T1B 350. It's really long. It's really long and the curls are just beautiful. They are like water wave, deep wave. Water wave curls, yeah? So if you're into curly units, so as you can see the inside, how it looks like. Okay, it has the lace. It has been pre-plucked already. We also have ponytails. Ponytails are also available. This is natural yaki. It looks like foxy hair, and it's super soft. You can put heat to it. You can also curl it if you want. So kindly go follow and the Instagram page and also like the Facebook page. You never know, I might just be giving away a wig to one of my followers or supporters. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it till the end of the video, I appreciate y'all. This is definitely a mom wig, yeah. See you on my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay sane. Thank you. Bye.